Hey guys, name's T. Evans with MarineMax, located in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Bennington. This particular model is the 20SV. So it's one of their value boats. It's as you can see, same construction, same quality. This is the new red color from Bennington. This one here is 20 feet LOA with a 90 horsepower Yamaha outboard, of course. 10-foot bimini top. Let's climb aboard and take a look, show you some of the features. As you see, it's very spacious in seating. Got a nice starboard lounge. Got a nice little port lounge as well. And of course, you know, you got your portable cup holders. You can move those throughout the boat. Stereo system with 4 speakers. It's a nice helm, Yamaha binnacle, RPM gauge, trim gauge, and fuel gauge. Got the nice kicker stereo there. Got a nice little sun pad right here. Changing room. Got the nice L-shaped lounge right here. Cup holder in the back, as you see. This is the new silver Simtex as well. Got a nice extended deck in the back, especially for those like to, you know, get out in the water and enjoy it. Again, this is a 2020 Bennington 20SV. It is their value boat. We do have several in stock. So if you'd like some more information, come by the dealership or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Again, my name is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Have a good day.